following message is transmitted at the request of the San Bernardino County Fire Department. A large wildfire is currently burning in the Cajon Pass near I-15 and Highway 138 between Silverwood Lake and Wrightwood. Evacuations are now underway for residents in the area. Interstate 15 in the Cajon Pass is now shut down in all lanes from Oak Hill Road to Kenwood Avenue exits. In addition, smoke from this fire is causing extremely poor air quality in Hesperia and surrounding communities. Residents are advised to avoid going outside until smoke clears. Evacuate if necessary.